is number 4 saltwater ballast tank starboard side sounding tube. The height of this tube is 10.2 meters from the opening here to the sounding plate at the bottom of the tank. We use inches to measure the level of the tank, and that is converted to percentage full for use in the stability program. Although this vessel is a car carrier and has very good hull form stability, allowing the angle of vanishing stability to be, in some cases, over 80 inches, it is still very necessary to have proper GM above the required GM number. This is because no matter the hull form stability, if your GM is negative, 0, or not enough, you can run into very dangerous situations that can cause damage to the ship, cargo, and crew. On board the Liberty Passion, we can carry up to 6,500 cars on various decks. It is important when loading and stowing these cars that the straps, the lashings, are done properly. This is a proper example of the lashings, and the main points are that every strap needs to be within 30 and 60 degrees, both horizontally and vertically. So, not every strap can be exactly 45 degrees, which would be ideal, but almost every strap can easily be gotten into a 30 to 60 degree angle, which, except in very extreme circumstances, allows the vehicle to stay in place, which limits damage to cargo, damage to the vessel, and injury to personnel on board. On the motor vessel Liberty Passion, there are 2 methods for tying up on the bow and stern. We have constant tension mooring winches, which have a stowing side and a working side. These are used every single time we tie up and are what is used a majority of the time. We have Liberty Maritime policy is when using the working side, a full drum's width of wraps have to be there in order to make sure the load does not transfer to the stowage side. The other option when tying up the ship, and is used in severe weather cases only when we have to throw out extra lines, we can use these extra lines and bits to tie up the ship, give extra headlines, extra spring lines, using these winches to tension them.